Hey everybody, brought to you by Bolt TV. This is Show and Tell. I'm Peter Salib. Thanks for watching. So today we're gonna get a little deeper into bottles. You might have seen my last episode about the burnout coffee mugs. Today we're gonna show a high-tech water bottle. All right, so this is called Liz. This is by Noerden. It is a French brand, and they've actually won the Red Dot Design Award for not only this product, but other products. They go to CES and other big events like that. They have a big global team. And so they have a full line of products, not just these water bottles. They also offer smart watches and also smart body scales, so you can weigh yourself intelligently. So this is the Liz bottle. Okay, all of the tech lives in the cap. All right, so the whole thing is dishwasher safe, all right, but the cap, you need to hand wash yourself in the sink. But this you could throw in the wash. So this is a normal bottle, right? It's the surgical grade steel. This has the BPA-free plastic, right? Leak-free proof lid. So all of the essentials, but here's what's different. There's a lot of tech in this cap. Mainly the UVC light built into it. So UVC is really big now for obvious reasons, but it's been around for a long time now. And this is gonna help not only clean the water that's in it, but clean the bottle itself, all right? You're supposed to clean this bottle, if not every day, at the least every week. But some people I know are not even doing that. I'm guilty of that sometimes myself. So this is gonna be really handy to keep your water clean and the bottle itself. So the way it works is you just double tap the cap here, all right? And that's gonna set it on and start a 5-minute UVC treatment, right? So if you do one treatment per day, the battery is gonna last for about a whole month, all right? So to charge it, it's pretty cool. In the packaging, you're gonna get a little box like this. If you open it up, you're gonna get the charging cable, and just like some Apple products that charge magnetically, so does that. So that's all you have to do to charge it, and then you plug it in. So that's really, really convenient and very, very seamless. So the magnetic charge is super awesome. And it also has some more features. It's intelligent, so it's actually gonna help you stay hydrated, right? Better than you ever have before. So if you don't use this for 2 hours, the cap is gonna blink, and it's gonna serve as a reminder, right? You need to drink some water, man. You're thirsty. So that is the Liz by Noerden. All right, it's $79. It's available on their website as well as Walmart.com and Amazon. All right, so thanks for watching. This is Show and Tell. I'm Peter Salib. Take care.